This is what we got going on, guys. I got a center console here. Get it a little closer. See how it's all caked up? See that? So what I'm gonna do, of course, I'm gonna use the Yello boy. I got the Yello boy in my pump here. And I'm gonna, of course, pump it. I'm gonna spray it like this. Spray my Yello boy on there like that. And my Yello boy like that. See? Spray the Yello boy. Sit there. I got my brush. What I do, I just got a Yello boy bring this stuff. Look at the dirt gripper. See, the Yello boy is designed to lift the dirt up. This is what we're doing right now. I sprayed the Yello boy, as you guys can see. And now what I'm doing is just marinating the Yello boy actually into the material. A little bit. Okay, now, since I did that a little bit, what I like to do is, at this point, I take my extractor. And this is what I do. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this, so you guys just bear with me a little bit. But what I do, I take my extractor, and look at that. Spray a little bit. Look at that. I'm trying to tell you, that Yello boy does not play. Look at that. God, look at this, man. Look at the difference. You see that? Let me back up a little bit. Look at that. Yeah, Yello boy does not play, man. Look at that. See the difference? Look at that. All the way to the. There. See that? I'm gonna do it again, guys. Now, what I did, I used the Yello boy. I hit it just a little bit with the brush. And then I took my extractor and did it. I'm gonna get up a little closer to show you guys. This is me using the Yello boy. And now I'm using the extractor here to get some of that stuff out of there. Look at that. The dirt came out of that one over there. And this is what you do, man. The Yello boy is designed to break it up. And what you do, you go and you suck it up. And everyone's happy. The customer happy because you provided a good service. And she's happy because she has a clean car or he. That's what we're doing. Like that. Like that. And again, see that right there. Okay. Right up.